Modern kids can't live without their smartphone and messaging apps. But did you know that young people tend to misuse the power of instant communication, unknowingly compromising their safety? For instance, about 15% of children aged 12 to 17 said they sent sexts at least once, and about 28% received them. As teens tend to share intimate photos and videos just for fun, online predators befriend those kids and manipulate them into sending more sexual-related content. As a result, kids feel trapped and keep their problems secret. So, how can you find out if your child has a problem? One of the proven ways is to learn about reading someone's text messages from their cell phone. In this video, we share 3 methods to see someone else's text messages without violating their privacy. How to read text messages from another phone without them knowing. Method 1. Using mSpy to view text messages from another phone. If you notice that your kid is depressed and all your attempts to find out the source of the problem fail, think about using a parental control app. With mSpy, you can easily check text messages from another phone remotely. To do so, follow a few simple steps. 1. Go to mSpy.com and choose a subscription. 2. Fill in the billing information and submit your payment. 3. Follow the instructions sent to your email to install mSpy. 4. Access your control panel and find the text messages section. 5. Start reading your kid's texts right from your smartphone. Unlike other monitoring devices, mSpy doesn't necessarily require rooting or jailbreaking the target device. Method 2. Viewing your kid's text messages on an iPhone. If you're in dire need to see your kid's texts on an iPhone, you can restore the files through iCloud Backup. 1. Sign into your kid's iCloud. 2. Choose Recover from iCloud Backup files. 3. Choose a backup file that contains text messages and download it. 4. Choose Messages in the pop-up window and start scanning them. 5. Once the scan is complete, preview the data and read the needed messages. 6. Select Recover to Computer to save the restored files. Method 3. Checking text messages on Android from another phone. You might know that SMS sent or received by an Android user are automatically backed up and stored locally on the phone. If you want to read them, you can look for a specific app on Google Play that can restore those files. But before you do so, make sure to find a trustworthy app developer to prevent running into scammers. Now you know how to check text from another phone without violating anyone's privacy. It's up to you what method to choose, just make sure that it provides you with all the necessary data. Keep your kids safe on the internet and prevent them from getting into trouble.